how's everyone doing? And welcome to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Victoria and I just do some little DIY stuff here and there, which I happen to record and document. I've just finished my bathroom, so I'll be showing you a good reveal today. We've actually finished the bathroom a while ago, but we've been using it and enjoying it, and just life happened and I've completely forgotten to record the final version. So hopefully you stay tuned into this video and you can check it out. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel and please like this video, give it a thumbs up, just so that I can share more content with you. So getting straight into it, I'm actually in my bedroom. I'm literally recording in front of a window to just get some light. My husband's downstairs, my kids are in nursery, but I thought, oh, if I don't get this in now, I'll completely forget. So I've literally not had a phone for about 4 weeks. My phone has been broken. I had it fixed and then it was broken again, had it fixed. So literally I haven't had a phone, and I usually record all my content on my phone, so I haven't been able to get good content to you. Anyways, I will show you my bathroom in a second, but I thought I would just kind of give you an update on what's happening. So I'm actually just gonna go downstairs, but you know, the light's gonna go. So yeah, what has been happening? Why is it taking me so long to not only upload a video, but you know, turn on the light, but you know, show you my reveal. Well, number one, I haven't had a phone, like I said before. Also, there's been lots of delays of everything. Just in my daughter's bedroom now, just literally going around making sure everything's tidy. There's been lots of delays with everything, and also finding a bathroom fitter to fit all the furnitures. So like all the shower and stuff, finding one like last minute to do something for me was absolutely mission. Thank goodness I was able to get one of my friends to kind of hook me up. Thank goodness. Well, not hook me up because I paid him, but he was able to help me, which was really, really great. Anyways, the bathroom is completed. It was completed about 3 weeks ago and we've really been enjoying it. Let me sit down. I've literally had like a long day. Yeah, it's just been a great journey and I'm just so proud every time I go in and like, oh wow, you know that satisfaction, that feeling of like relief and satisfaction that you have. I really have that and I'm really pleased. I think I'm going to do an actual separate video on all the things that I've learned and the things that I wish I knew, and just some kind of tips and advice for anybody who wants to kind of take this on, because it was a massive job and I've had my friends ask me, you know, would I ever do it again? And I would like to say yes, I'll do it again, but my husband will say no. But yeah, I think I would do it again, and I really want to, because I have a second bathroom, which is the kids' bathroom now, and it's just like falling apart now. But we'll see what happens. I might, you know, have to do another renovation vlog and show you that bathroom. But anyways, I've talked enough. Let me show you how it looks. So finally, after months of delay, I can finally show you the finished bathroom. So this is the entrance. This is what you see when you first come in. Just the towels. So we have these towels on these hooks. These gold hooks I got from a place called Plank. I will try to include all the things that I got in the description below. But I wanted the hooks here. Initially, I thought I was going to get it behind the door. But I wanted the hooks here just so that when I got out of the shower, so that when I got out of the shower, I can just grab the towel and go. So let me just walk in so you can see how it is. So the shower room is actually not a big room. It seems big in the video, but it's not too massive. So this is kind of what you see. Then we have the walk-in shower. So this is how it kind of looks. The shower is quite high up, which I love. And we have it all the way down to there. I didn't want to get a single shower, what's that thing called? Shower head, because I just really like the thermostatic shower and how it looks. So this is how it is in the window. I had this little plant that I got from the nail. I got these towels from, where did I get these towels from again? From Made. Oh, I'll put all the things below of where I got this from, but I completely, I've completely forgotten. It's kind of literally just come off my mind. But I got this shower from Lusso Stone. So this can be adjusted. So this shower is in the brush gold and it's from Lusso Stone, and it is adjustable, so you can kind of adjust it to the height that you want. My husband is quite tall, he's 6'3", so I needed it quite high, and it just literally fits so nice and well to the green tiles. I also have the shower screen, which is here. I wanted the shower, so basically we've used the shower all the time, so the shower screens are completely clean. I need to get vinegar to clean the shower screen, but you know, this is something that we literally use all the time, so don't kill me on how dirty everything is. But I got the shower screen from Drench. I wanted to get something really simple, and initially I actually wanted a statement shower screen, but my husband wanted something frameless. I wanted something plain, and since I literally made a decision on every single thing in the shower, I thought I would allow him to at least have this one. So this shower screen is from Drench, and it is a 900mm shower screen, and it also has the adjustable handbar, which is there to kind of add extra security. I got this in black because I didn't want the shower to be too blingy and goldy. I wanted it to have a mix of blacks and gold to it. I put the shower screen quite close to where the vanity unit is, just so that we can have a bigger space to shower. And now this shower can fit about 2 people standing, showering. Like literally I put both of my kids in here and I give them a quick shower together. I can even shower with my kids, my husband and I can shower. Yeah, so it's just one of those things that I wanted quite a big space in comparison to the space that we had before. So I'm really, really pleased with it. I don't know if you can see it well. I'm using my phone to record this, so it's not great width. But yeah, so just really nice just from here. The tiles go really well with the gold. And I painted the ceiling black as well, so it just gives a perfect illusion. And then I have this vanity unit, which I absolutely love. I'm gonna get some baskets for underneath the vanity unit so that I can put all my toilet roll inside the baskets underneath. And I'm gonna get a few more hand towels to put underneath the sink. Yeah, so in this gap here, I'm gonna put some hand towels there. But I got this vanity unit from Tikamoon. I love Tikamoon. I've gotten a few furniture wood bits from there and I absolutely love them. I also got the sink from Tikamoon. So the vanity unit is 60 centimeters wide, so about 600mm, and the sink is 40 centimeters wide, so it's quite perfect. And I got this gold flush click clack what's it called, basin waste. Yeah, so I got this from Lusso Stone as well, and I got the tap from Lusso Stone because I really wanted it to be of the same gold. I got this little wood soap dispenser and toothbrush holder from Danielle. And hi, you can see me. I got this really large mirror that I absolutely love from IKEA, and I'm so lucky that the gold kind of matches the gold for the tap. I was really nervous that it wasn't, but it's just quite simple, really nice big mirror, which I absolutely love. I literally can get ready and come and have a look at kind of how I look. But the whole vanity unit section I'm just obsessed with. I also have this towel holder from Drench. I'm so stupid. I got like a towel from Danielle, hand towel, thinking that, oh my gosh, it's such a good price. Like, how did I get this from, you know, Danielle, not knowing it's a little wash mitten. So I need to get another hand towel, but I just put it there anyways, just for the gram. But I'm gonna get another wash mitten. I'm gonna get a few actually. But I put this here just so that it doesn't take up additional space. And this is actually from Drench as well, which I absolutely love. And I got this plant also from Drench, just something to add some texture to the room. I put it there, it doesn't really disturb us, just something simple, add some texture to the room. And I love this toilet, literally the best toilet ever. It's a self-cleaning toilet, so it literally it has such a powerful flush that it cleans everything up. And it's also a soft close toilet, so the seat closes really, really slowly. Actually, I don't know if you can even see it closing, but yeah. Nice, really soft close, simple close. Yeah, we're still going, but yeah. And I also have this really nice toilet roll holder that I actually got from Amazon. Just something simple, black. Obviously the wall is off black, but it still looks okay. And also the flush plate is from Drench as well. I wanted to get the same flush plate that I got from Lusso Stone, just so that, you know, it can be like a gold shower, gold tap and gold flush plate. However, the Lusso Stone shower and tap was sold out, and it actually took it took about 6 weeks for it to be delivered. So that's why this whole thing, you know, was massively delayed, because it took 6 weeks for it to be delivered. I really couldn't wait 6 weeks for the wall cistern to be delivered, because basically the system, the flush system and the plate all are go in one, so you can't just get any flush plate for any wall cistern. You have to kind of get the specific one for the cistern. So I couldn't wait 6 weeks, because I had to build the whole system and tile it and whatever, which I've kind of included in another video that you can watch, which is why I couldn't wait. So I just ended up getting this from Drench anyways, and I got the toilet from Drench, which I love, and I had to build that and then just wait 6 weeks for the rest to come. And then yeah, and I just have this really nice diffuser which smells amazing that I got from Drench. I might add a few more like little bits and bobs to that shelf just to have it nicely decorated, but this is kind of this angle how it looks. It's just such a beautiful shower, just really powerful as well, and it's really, really easy to clean as well, the shower. Even though it's a walk-in shower, we've used it a lot, so it's a bit dusty, it's not completely clean, but it's really, really easy to clean. But yeah, it's really, really easy to use this shower. It's actually like the best thing ever. And what we have now is we have this rake that we use. So when we have shower and we finish having a shower, we kind of use the rake to help the water along into the drain and push it in. But otherwise, it is something that I would definitely recommend. And the water doesn't really get everywhere unless you are having like a proper like bath kind of shower. But even so, just rake everything in once you're done, and it's simple. But yeah, this is the completed room.